This is a statue of the famous Mullah Nasseruddin, which we read about as we were children in Tinkle comics. And behind is the lavish madrasahs. There's this amazing structure, amazing. And there's Bindu and Tintin coming. Bindu.
During the Ashtarkhani dynasty, this part called Modern Devon Beylik Complex or lavish Hauz complex. And on the left hand,
Where are you?
Bukhara. Good morning, we are in Bukhara on our city tour, and we have come to the banks of a reservoir here, and there's a model depicting the people who used to travel the Silk Route, and there is the main old city, and there's Papa. Say hi. And there is the main old city.
but the translation of more, it means moon. So many people think about this is night bazaar. No, this is not a night bazaar. This is just Oriental Bazaar. Used in 9th century.
Face-to-face madrasahs of Bukhara, the landmarks of the city. It's amazing how beautiful they are. And we've got this one. Wow, it's beautiful. There's Tintin. There's the jewelry cupola. There's the minaret, the hallmark of Bukhara city. And then we're coming this side. I just can't remember the names of these madrasas. Beautiful. Face madrasas in Bukhara. Good one. Architecture inside, like honeycombs, as she said. Inscription.
Exiting the madrasas with the two madrasas facing each other, and we're entering the jewelry quarter of Bukhara, as you can see. And this is a very famous market called Zargaron, and so we're entering. There's a spice shop, embroidery work, a lot of ceramic work, beautiful chest sets being sold. Down that avenue, we have come to the Kharam complex. I think I pronounced it right. And what tends to be called the landmark of Bukhara is this minaret. Can't pronounce the name. And we have two more facing madrasas. Actually, this is a gateway and this is a madrasa. Just look at the atmosphere. Amazing. No. What a sight.
So we are in the grand square of Bukhara. Looking at these beautiful structures. Absolutely amazing. There's our guide with Bindu. She's been telling us all about it. This is the landmark of the city. It's around 47 meters tall, a bit shorter than the one in Khiva, and 12th century built. And this is the madrasa. It's amazing, amazing. This is the Grand Mosque. Yeah. Citadel in Bukhara. Beautiful fortress city. Oh, it is so beautiful. And that's the Bukhara Tower. It's a water tank in Soviet times converted into amazing. And we just hold it there for a second. 1 second, just hold it there. This is the Ark Citadel of Bukhara. Is that correct? Okay, good. Tintin? Oh. Cheers.
Yeah, we're outside the Ark Citadel in Bukhara, and Papa is eating a strawberry milkshake and Mama's eating kiwi ice cream. And how are you?
Alright.
How are you enjoying Bukhara?
Yeah, it's brilliant. Beautiful day, beautiful sights. Yeah, accompanied by a beautiful guide. So we're having a good time. So it's quite an astounding structure. We went inside. There's a Jama Masjid, just like the one in Delhi, with various quarters. So it's been a nice educative trip. And yeah, Bukhara is beautiful. We're still debating as to whether we like Khiva more or Bukhara more. We'll see. When the day is over, we'll have a vote. You see the camel there? Where's the camel?
Camel's gone.
We are Just across the citadel, we have got the 40 column mosque. And it's fascinating because there are actually 20 columns, but because of the reflection in the water, it becomes 40. A lot of the words in Uzbekistan have got Hindi. So 40 or 40 is a reservoir. Hauz, which means reservoir. And this is a 40 column mosque. Beautiful structure. All this the 40 column mosque. Bookstore. You liking it? Face to face. Wow. in front of the little Chorminar of Bukhara. How do you pronounce the name?
Chorminar.
Oh, Chorminar, okay. Ah,
So we'll learn today a lot of Persian and Fatih.
you bobble little doggy there. Chorminar. Structure. So we are on top of the baby Chorminar of Bukhara. Bindu, this side. So Bindu's loving it. She wanted to come here, so we made a special effort to come here. And this is very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very nice. And surrounding.